Africa, the world's greatest wilderness and second largest continent, is home to the greatest variety of herbivores in the world. From large herds of buffalo and other angulates to single-stomach animals such as elephant, zebras, rhino and hippo. So it's no wonder Africa has an abundance, the source of their natural food, the acacia felt itself. Boskos is a primary game feed which is produced from natural bushveld acacias and related species indigenous to many parts of southern Africa. The acacia bush itself is a natural source of prime food for herbivores in the wild. When combined with the addition of carefully formulated natural supplements, the Boskos is then pelletized to be used as a full feed and a staple diet. Boskos is exceptional in times like winter and droughts as a grazing supplement. It is also used in zoos, havens for endangered species, national parks and game reserves around the world. Accepting that acacia is a basic natural diet for wild animals, the fiber and nutrient content of acacia bush as a natural source of animal feed has been subjected to exhaustive examination and tests since the inception of Boskos in 1992. Due to the intensive unmanaged grazing by cattle, large areas of the savanna ecosystems in southern Africa have become bush encroached. To correct this imbalance of the ecosystems, surplus acacia thorn bushes are mechanically removed and in so doing form the basis of Boskos. The acacia bush fiber is then cooled and bagged in readiness for the next process, when Wes adds a variety of other feed products as well as a vitamin and element balancing premix pack, which results in a 60-40 ratio to acacia fiber. The perfect balancing of this feed renders it strictly compliant with the requirements of the Department of Agriculture for a full feed, and has been allocated the registration number V12514 of Act 36 of 1947. All the various ingredients are thoroughly mixed to the satisfaction of the final quality assurance requirements before being pelletized into its final form of a 10mm pellet to make it Boskos. Pre-printed polypropylene bags are filled with Boskos to either 40kg or 25kg weights and are ready to be shipped to distributors and clients both nationally and around the world. When Boskos is sent abroad, Wes Enterprises sees to the inspection of the containers, the installation of moisture traps, arrangement of the necessary veterinary certificates and documentation required, as well as the loading of the container. Boskos enjoys an extremely high reputation from users who have successfully used the product over many years. Some users who continue to feed Boskos have done so continually from the mid-1900s. The fiber structure of Boskos is described as being polygonal. Therefore, this determines Boskos as being a unique animal feed, whereas other animals follow the principle of commercial livestock feeds, which is predominantly a long fiber. The polygonal fiber structure is far more digestible to all herbivores than long fiber. Animals instinctively recognize Boskos feed as a superior feed. Some enlightened animal feed nutritionists, when asked about the readily acceptance of Boskos, state simply that one should never doubt the instinct of an animal. Boskos is a primary source product in its own right. It is therefore significantly different from most other commercially produced animal feeds, especially in that it is not a byproduct of a manufacturing process. Boskos is the closest feed to the natural diet of herbivores and is suitable for all grazers and browsers, which also makes reintroduction of animals to their natural environment very easy. Boskos was developed through innovation, dedication, and passion for the well-being of animals.